Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather, and on this channel we talk all things that affect women on a daily basis in our lives, in food, in our families, our houses, fun makeup stuff, all that kind of jazz. So please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell so that you're notified of all upcoming videos, which I post every Tuesday and Thursday. So today's video is a bathroom hack that is super weird. I mean, weird. I would have never thought of this in a million years, but we're gonna see if it works today. So if you're interested in finding out how to get soap scum off your shower doors in 5 minutes without a bunch of elbow grease, keep watching, stay tuned, and let's do this. All right, so I hate washing shower doors. I mean, you have to develop Rambo arms to get that soap scum off of there. It is stuck on. My arms are killing me when I'm done trying to get it off. And maybe that's because I wait, you know, like 6 weeks before I wash it. Ugh. Do I wait that long? That's disgusting. Anyway, it gets stuck on there pretty good. And it takes a lot of elbow grease to get it off.
When are you gonna get out of here?
In a while. I gotta get back.
I love you, Mama!
I love you too, baby!
So I decided to scour the internet for some kind of hack that would make this easier and it actually would just kind of come off. So I found this hack and I thought there's no way that this works. That's ridiculous. But I already had the product at my house, so I thought whatever, let's just try it. So the hack is that you're going to be using Skinsations bug spray. Yep, mosquito spray. When was the last time you were cleaning your shower and you thought, maybe I should use bug spray? Like, who even thinks of this stuff? Anyway, I put it to the test and let's see what happens. Hey, I'm coming to you from inside my shower. I kind of feel like a fish in an aquarium. Anyway, we are testing out a hack that gets the soap scum off of your shower doors. Probably can't even see me very well because there's so much soap scum on my shower door. But I purposely waited and let my shower get disgusting so that I could try this hack. Yes, I did it on purpose. I promise. Always with the judging.
I don't know why you always have to be judging me.
So, the hack is to use this. Really? Skinsations insect repellent with aloe. This seems like a really weird thing to do, but we're gonna try it and see if it works. Supposedly it works super well. I'm gonna use a sponge and this. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so far I can't breathe, but it looks like it is taking it off. So now I'm just going to get a clean rag and rinse it off. Are you kidding me? This totally works. That was the easiest way to get soap scum off ever. I barely applied any pressure at all. Holy cow. Let's try it over here. Make sure it's well ventilated. Bonus, you'll never get bitten by a mosquito in your shower. I mean, who wants a mosquito bite on their butt anyway? Multitasking. But the bug spray works, and let me just tell you, I was talking to a friend of mine, you know who you are, and I was telling her about this video, and she was laughing because she said that she had actually been bitten by a mosquito in the shower, and she felt it and looked around and was like, what the heck? And realized that she'd been bitten in the butt by a mosquito in the shower. So, you know, double duty, ladies. You can now shower bug-free and be able to see through your shower doors. So I hope this was helpful for you. It was fun to do. It is pretty smelly in there, but it does dissipate pretty quickly, and so it's not like it lingers forever and ever. But it actually works, so I was pretty impressed by that. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it's helpful and makes your life a little bit easier and a little bit faster, and you can then use your time to do more important things in life. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below on any other weird hack that you have come across on Pinterest or on the internet, wherever, because there's some pretty weird ones out there, and I'm willing to try some pretty weird things. So if you find one that you want me to feature on a future video, leave me a comment below. I will check it out and see if I can do it, because I think it's really fun, and hopefully I can make a funny video out of it as well. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope it's fun for you to watch, and feel free to share these videos on your Facebook feeds or on Twitter or Instagram or wherever you are on social media and with your friends. I would love to have more of you ladies joining our little online community. Until next time, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. See you, ladies. Please give it a thumbs up and how long have I been speaking English? Please give it a